North Carolina is one of the states that essentially prohibits wage garnishment by private creditors for most consumer debts. This is a critically important fact for creditors with North Carolina judgment debtors, and understanding the limitations and available alternatives is essential. North Carolina's wage garnishment restriction. North Carolina does not permit wage garnishment by private creditors for ordinary consumer and commercial debts. North Carolina allows wage garnishment only for the following specific categories: child support and alimony obligations, student loan debts owed to the federal government or guaranteed by the government, state and federal taxes, and debts owed to government agencies. For private judgment creditors, holders of commercial debt judgments, personal loan judgments, credit card judgments, and similar obligations, wage garnishment is simply not available in North Carolina, regardless of the amount of the judgment. The practical enforcement impact. This restriction makes North Carolina one of the most challenging states for private creditor enforcement. When the primary debtor protection strategy eliminates the most common enforcement tool, creditors must focus on alternatives. Available alternatives for North Carolina creditors. Bank account levy is available. Money held in a bank account is not wages and is subject to execution in North Carolina. A bank levy seizes funds in the account at the time of levy. Identifying the debtor's banking relationships is the prerequisite. Real property liens. Recording the judgment in the county where the debtor owns real estate creates a lien. While enforcement through forced sale may be impractical due to homestead exemptions, the lien clouds title and must be resolved when the property is sold or refinanced. Personal property execution, non-exempt personal property, vehicles, equipment, collectibles with value above the exemption, is subject to execution by the sheriff. Debtor examination, North Carolina courts conduct judgment, debtor examinations that compel disclosure of assets and financial information. People Locator skip tracing identifies North Carolina debtor bank accounts and assets for execution strategies. Visit peoplelocatorskiptracing.com to place your order.